How much is this? Could you tell me the price of this item, please? Is there a discount? Do you offer any discounts on this product? Where is the bread? Could you point me to where the bread section is? Do you have it in another color? Could you let me know if this available in different colors? Can I pay by card? Do you accept credit or debit cards for payment? This is expensive. This seems a bit pricey. Do you have a more affordable option? Can I try this? Would it be possible for me to try this on before purchasing? It's broken. This item appears to be damaged. Could I exchange it for a new one? Where is the checkout? Could you please direct me to the checkout counter? Can I return this? What's your return policy for this product? Which one is better? Could you help me compare these two options?